One of the most common questions families ask us is this: what is required for moving into an assisted living, and do you require a deposit or community fee? So, before I answer this question, let me walk you through uh, the simple steps that we take in a transparent manner. First of all, what is required to move in? Before anyone moves into our assisted living community, we focus on safety first, right? Then we have appropriateness of care and compliance with state licensing requirements. Now, this protects your loved one, and it also protects our caregivers and our residents. The first thing we need is a care assessment. This care assessment helps us understand your loved one's medical conditions, their mobility need, cognitive status, and the level of assistance needed with daily activities like bathing, dressing, toileting, feeding, medication reminders or management, or transfers. So we also require a recent physician form or medical clearance. This form will help us confirm diagnosis, current medications, diet requirements, and any special considerations that your physician or your loved one's physician has documented. This step is critical to make sure the assisted living is the right level of care that has been prescribed and not nursing home or hospital level situation. Now, next, we review your medications or your loved one medications. We need a complete medication list and pharmacy information so we can safely manage the medication from the day you move in, from day one. We also complete a basic paperwork. This includes admission agreements, emergency contacts, financial responsibility forms, and any other consent documents that we have that is required to be kept on file. So we guide the families through all of these steps, so everything is done in a step by step manner, so you're not overwhelmed. Now, once those items are in place, then we coordinate the moving date, room preparation, care plan setup, and then the caregiver assignments. We make sure that everything is in place before your loved one is properly, uh, so that your loved one is properly supported when they move in. From the moment they arrive, everything is fine. Now, let's talk about deposits and community fees. The simple answer is yes. We do require a deposit. The deposit reserves the room, secures staffing, and allows us to prepare the care. Um, it allows us to prepare the care plans, supplies, and onboarding process before your loved one moves in. This ensures there are no gaps in care on the very first day. In most cases, the deposit is applied to the agreement terms such that it is non-refundable, and also uh, we make sure that it keeps that room for you. We explain this clearly, of course, upfront, so that there are no surprises. For a community fee, we do not believe in excessive hidden fees, so we tell you this amount upfront before you come in. So it's a one-time fee that we discuss with you from the very moment you walk in, so you are not surprised. Now, if there is any fee outside of that, we make sure that we let you know as well. So our goal is not to nickel and dime families here. We make sure that if we're going to charge you something, it is properly explained why. Our goal is to create this smooth, safe transition for loved one while maintaining a licensed, fully staffed, compliant, assisted living environment to take care of your loved one. So, if you're considering assisted living and want to know if your loved one qualifies, what documents are needed, or what the next steps looks like, the best thing to do is schedule a tour and a care consultation. We'll walk you through everything clearly, honestly, and with compassion. So if this video was helpful, like it, share it, and feel free to message us with your questions.